Get ready to dive into the amazing success story of this YouTube channel, pulling in an incredible $30,000 every month. What's even more astonishing, they're achieving this impressive income with super simple YouTube shorts. In this video, I'm going to spill the beans on how they create content so fast. Believe it or not, I made a whopping 300 YouTube shorts in just 30 minutes, and it didn't cost me a cent. First, go to ChatGPT and generate quotes about love, heartbreaks, and friendship. Now save these quotes into Notepad or Google Docs. Step 2. Go to vidnoz.com and click on Create Free AI Video Now. Sign up with your Google account. Now click on the Template option, then select Portrait. You will find various short video templates. Please choose a suitable template based on your video requirements. I'm using this template. Now remove the template extra parts because we are creating a short video. Now please copy the quotes and paste them into the designated text box. Next, select the AI voice for your video. This will help bring your content to life with a natural and engaging narration. Remove extra elements from template. Click on Text to add a text effect to your short video. This feature allows you to enhance your video with stylish and eye-catching text animations, making your content even more engaging and visually appealing. Next, click on Avatar and add an AI talking avatar to your Shorts video. This feature will elevate the quality of your Shorts video to the next level, providing an interactive and engaging element that will captivate your audience. You can enhance your video to make it more engaging by adding various materials such as videos and images. These additions will not only improve the overall quality of your content, but also help you connect with your audience more effectively. To take your Shorts video to the next level, consider adding some music. Incorporating music will not only enhance the overall experience but also elevate the emotional impact, making your video even more captivating and memorable. Lastly, click on the Generate button to render your video. Below is a demo video to help you understand the process better.
Love is the bridge that connects hearts, spanning the chasm between two souls.
The second faceless channel idea is a news channel that leverages AI to create news content. Let's get started on this exciting venture. First, open Google News and copy any trending news articles. These articles will serve as valuable content for your news channel. After copying the articles, return to Vidnoz. Then go to the Templates section and select a suitable breaking news template to use for your content. First, paste your news articles and replace the existing footage with visuals that correspond to the news articles. Click on the Replace button and add images or videos, then adjust them as needed to align with the content. Replace the text in the breaking news bar with your own headline. This will help you tailor the news content to your audience and deliver the latest updates effectively. Now, move to the second scene. Add news content, replace the existing text with updated information, and change the footages to ensure your news coverage remains current and engaging. When you have completed all these settings, click on the Generate button and patiently await the rendering results. This step will bring your news content to life and prepare it for broadcasting. Here is news demo video.
Apple plans to update iPhone 12 software for users in France after the country's regulators ordered a pause on sales of the 2020 model over radiation concerns. We will issue a software update for users in France to accommodate the protocol used by French regulators. We look forward to iPhone 12 continuing to be available in France, an Apple AAPL spokesperson told CNN Friday. Tell key information, including who, what, when, where, and why of the story. Use clear and concise language and keep the content brief. France's National Frequency Agency, the ANFR, ordered Tuesday an immediate withdrawal of the iPhone 12 from the French market.
You can discover more faceless ideas on YouTube, and you can utilize Vidnoz. Utilizing Vidnoz for video creation provides numerous advantages. It can save you time by automating laborious tasks such as video editing, motion tracking, and background removal. Vidnoz's algorithms can also enhance the visual quality of your videos, making them more engaging and professional in appearance. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us continue to create content for you.